welcome back. Are you excited to start coding and do a simple animation? Let's get started. Today, we'll go through the Introduction to Scratch booklet by PyX Education. Here, we will teach you how to move the sprite, say something, add a sound, use the repeat loop, and finally, add a head block. Let's go back to the Scratch platform. First, move 10 steps. If you click on this block, you can see the cat moving on the right here. And then go to say hello for 2 seconds. If you click on this block, you move and say hello. Next, we'll go to sound, play sound meow. See what happens. If we go to the event category, drag and drop when green flag is clicked, and then we can activate this code when clicking on the green flag. If we go to the control category, drag and drop control loop. Make sure it is highlighted in gray and cover the whole thing and drop. So instead of a repeat 10 times, I would like to repeat 5 times only. And then instead of saying hello, I want to say how are you? Click on the green flag and run the code. 1 time, 2, 3, 4, finally the 5th time. This is where you can stop the code halfway if you want to. Let's try to add a new sprite. Simply double click on this icon. There are many categories here on the top, from animals, people, fantasy to letters. Let's choose an animal for today. Let's pick dinosaur. There you go, that's your dinosaur. And the background is so boring. Let's add a new background. Same as before, there are many different categories here, from underwater, patterns, sports, fantasy, to space. I love space. Let's find out what's here. Double click on this one. There you go. Now, let's animate this dinosaur. Click on this and then go back to motion. I would like the dinosaur to move and turn. So instead of moving 10 steps, maybe we'll put 20 steps. And then turn 15 degrees to the left. If I go to looks, I want it to think. What is this? Thinking to himself, looking at the cat. And then go to the event category. Instead of clicking the green flag, I want to click the sprite to activate the codes. So if I click on the sprite, that's where the codes will be activated. We will move, turn, and say, and think, what is this, for 2 seconds. Finally, I want to add some sound. You can go to sound here on the top, and then, sorry, I just moved mine over, and add a new sound. This is the different categories of sounds as well, from animal, effects, loops, space, and more. So if I click on space, this one. And then back to codes. And then I say play sound until done. And chose the space noise. And I want it to repeat forever. It's up to you to decide what you want to do. If I run this code, see what happens. keep going. So for your first lesson project, I would like you to create a simple animation by exploring all these codes, simple codes around here. For example, switch costume. What happens if you put this one here? I want you to explore. Have fun, everyone!